Thank you for visiting our channel. Today I came out to review and also quick unbox this nice looking earbuds. It is done by a company called Melofun and it is modeled power pods. I have to mention it's one of the best. This model has been released to a bunch of different companies with different names, but the model number will be the same. So there is some different reviews about this. So let's see what it will bring on a table for us. I do not want to forget. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, click the subscribe button. Make sure you share this with your friends and family and make sure you click the notification icon and select all in order for you to get notified. On top of that, if you have a question, drop them at the bottom of the video. We love to help you out ASAP. And don't forget to click the like button. It really motivates us to make these type of videos quickly for you. Alright, you can see that the box is really nicely designed. It's just blue, and once you go to the back, it has a little bit information. And once we go through and cut the back, and we slowly take it apart, these are the components that are part of this. Alright, so here is how the docking station look like. It's round and it is really nicely done with a matte finish, so that way there's no fingerprint residue will remain on it when you're touching it. Another good thing that I really like is this little hinge in the back. So once you open it, you can see that it totally disappears. There you go. And it is made in a way so you cannot damage it even if you have to push it in. This is really cool. Another good part is that when you go around, you have their name really nicely written in the front. I know that there's a little plastic. I'm not going to take it off because I really like this. And on top of that, when you go in the bottom part of it, is the actual USB Type-C charger, which has been done with a little gold color to bring more a specific touch to it. Now, if we flip it in the back, there is a little part for the LED. So once you hook up a charger on this, as you can see right now, it will show a little light that is charging. Now, once it's done, it's going to be solid. And once you see in the back part of it, you have some little writings. So this way you know exactly where they're coming from and how it has been processed. But once you go to the front part, it looks really nice and neat. I like that little cut that they have all the way going around. And once you open the top, it looks really slick. So it has the proper laser cut to it, so that way the headphones are sitting right inside of it, and it is not right now in here. But you can see that there's no marking that tells you which one is right, which one is left. Same thing on the ledge, but it makes it very nice and slick the way that this has been designed. So here are the actual earbuds. They're really nice looking. Let's go one by one and take a look at what's inside of each one. So you can see that it has been designed really nice. It has their actual logo right inside of it and where the touch sensitive part is. And also you have the little indicator. So this is the mic. And then you have their name written really nicely. Now what I really like about this is that they have a little personal touch to it, is the gold little cuts to it on the top and also in the bottom where the actual charger is going to be set. So once you hook it up to your docking station, this is how it is going to be charged. Now going to the front part of it, you can see that there's a LED light. That means it has not been paired yet. And also you will see the little sensor part, and it will tell you a really small writing saying this is the right one. And then you have the actual part that sits inside of your ear. Now I already mentioned that there are different numbers inside of the plastics, so it comes with a smaller one and also bigger one. Just in case if this is falling out of your ear, you can put a bigger one, so this way it will cover and you will be able to put this properly. Another really cool thing that I like about this, you can use them separately. And also when you go to the second one, it's the same type of thing. You have the marking that says this is the left one right over here, and then you have the sensors. Also the little LED indicator is right there. And then going on the bottom, same thing, gold touch. Going to the back part of it, they have their name there. Also you have the little mic so it can hear you from both sides. And also you have the nice touch around the touch sensitive part, so that way you can tap and it will be able to change the song for you. Now what I really like about this is when I was playing with this, you can use them separately, or if you want to play a song, you can pause, play, and you can also press twice so it can go back a step And if you press this one time or two times, it will skip a song. So that means both of them will be used properly. All right, so now it's time to get this paired. And now we will open and we will take one of them out. We will put this down, and there is a little LED light right here that will make it, there you go, now it is waiting for it to be paired. Now for that I am using a UMI A7 Pro, and we will go into Bluetooth, so I'll select it. And now when it comes up, it should automatically go in and search and find this. So there's nothing here yet. It's not going to search. And now it is on a search, and there you go. The name comes up perfectly. It says Power Pods. We will select it. Now it takes a couple of seconds for it to be paired, and you will see that little light right here that will change color as soon as it is going to be paired. And there you go. Now it is paired. You can also see that there is a little writing that says it is 100% charged. All right, so here you go. Going to show you exactly how this will work. Now the best part is as soon as you take out, the other one automatically just connects to. There you go. I changed the screen a little bit so we can see it better. Now if I have to tap it twice, there you go. Now it pauses. Now press one more time. It plays it again. Once you put it on, it will be different. So what I'm trying to say is you can use these independently, one at a time. So this way it will last you a lot longer. Also, you can use both of them together. The best part is that the touch sensitive parts of it, it will be able to pick up call and hang up call. The best part is that you can play and pause in one ear. You can press the button and then it will pause. And then you can press the button to pause. There you go. And then you can press it again to play it. There you go. So now it is playing. And another good thing is if you want to fast forward or change the song from another ear, you can just press this and it will be able to go forward or backward. And same thing. There you go. Did you see that? It just changed the song itself. And now you can do the same thing to go back with the other ear. You have to press a few times and it should be able to go back a few steps. So this way it is not going to show up both of them at the same time. This is really cool. That's not the only thing. It is very loud. I really like that. Another good thing that I found out through this is I use this at least for 4 hours before I run out of charge, and then I put it back in the docking station. I was able to recharge it. It took roughly about 20 minutes and I was using it again for another good 3 hours. I had to recharge it about 4 times through this and use it again. So that means is it would last you good a few days. Now recharging through this, as per their paperwork, it should be roughly around 4 times. And again, the sound on this is very, very loud. Again, you can hear it even from here. Now, if I have to hold it against my tester, you can see that it goes almost to 77 to 78. And this is just from the regular tester, and I'm not pushing that much on it. I just have it attached and it shows that number. That means it is very loud, very loud. So this is the sound test that I'm going to record using the earbud to be in my ear. And we're going to see exactly how it will sound when you're hearing it on the screen itself. So here you go. All right, so this is the first test that how it sounds when you are talking directly to the earbuds itself. Now I only have one of them in my ear, so that means is if you have it and you get a call, this is how clear it will sound and how it will be. Now remember that this is all done by the actual earbuds itself and not the camera that we are using. So overall, this really grabbed our attention and we're going to use this from now on till it lasts. If you have any questions, drop them at the bottom of the video. Except that links will be available where you can order it from, and also some information from official website at the bottom of this video. Except that I hope you guys like our video. If you do like it, click the like button, subscribe button on the top, comment in the bottom. Always remember to visit our own website, which is xctex.info. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and other social networking places, and thank you.